What's one word you'd use to describe KBS?
One word to describe KBS.
One word to describe KBS, I would say is transformative.
One word to describe KBS is inspiring.
Probably adventurous.
Is immersive.
Therapeutic.
Inclusivity.
Fun.
Growth.
Summer.
Connections.
I love KBS because of the nature.
I love KBS because of the lake.
I love KBS because of the immersion that we get to experience in the field.
I love KBS because of the people.
I love KBS because this is my first time doing research for this long.
I love KBS because of the plants.
I love KBS because the students who come here want to learn about and experience the natural world around them.
I love KBS because of the experiences.
I love KBS because of how different the people in the labs and the projects are, that there's always something new to learn or hear about.
I love KBS because of all of the amazing different people I've met.
I love KBS because of the phenomenal experiences.
I love KBS because of the diverse ecosystems.
I love KBS because of what I've learned through my mentor relationship.
I love KBS because of Todd Barkman.
I love KBS because of the environment.
I love KBS because of the people and experiences that I have here.
I love KBS because of the science.
I love KBS for the carnivorous plants.
I love KBS because it's a really great environment where everyone gets along and gets to hang out and have a really great summer together.
I love KBS because of the turtles.
I did it.
Yay!